The car continued driving for several minutes at least. The camera eventually passed it and saw an elderly couple inside, and from the way they looked, not even sure if they were fully aware of what happened. This is the most beautiful thing I've seen humans work together on. That driver's actions genuinely made my blood boil. I seriously hate impatient drivers.
What the hell? What?
Apparently, this driver blacked out while DUI. Driving with a whole traffic light is absolutely a new sight for me. It's a good thing that the camera was sitting there, otherwise, this idiot would have hit his car. This is a prime example of near complete lack of spatial awareness. Some sort of road rage situation on another road before this happened. The driver of the gray car was arrested, so he may have been drinking. They didn't bother accelerating quickly to try and prevent an accident until the camera would have already smashed them if he hadn't braked. Likely an insurance scam. The question is, did they pull over again later?
And peered down for a while, skinny and shivering but curious. Her bridges kept falling down. There was a covered bridge between the armory and the main keep, and another that went from the fourth floor of the bell tower to the second floor of the roof. But no matter how carefully she shaped them, they would not hold together. The third time one collapsed on her, she cursed aloud and sat back in helpless frustration. Peck the snow around a stick, said her. She did not know how long he'd been watching her.
I feel like half the accidents on the road would be solved if people realized you can go slower and go behind the vehicle that won't slow down to let you in. Thankfully, the camera and the person in front of him avoided that idiot. What a way to start the day. I'd get to work and still be rattled over that close call. What is your thoughts? Because I honestly don't know what happened here. Did the dude get worked up that the other dude pulled over to let him through? I honestly don't know. I wish I could have played the audio, but it was copyrighted. But it said, "Come on, Barbie, let's go party." So, with that being said, I felt like it was appropriate, but I am disappointed that they didn't play it in the new Barbie movie. The driver of the other car failed to look out the right side of their own vehicle. The camera was clearly visible to them if they had bothered to look. Some idiot seemed to be allergic to acceleration. At some point, he knew he made a mistake and still took his sweet time to get ahead of the truck and change lanes. That car shouldn't have needed to swerve in the first place. It seemed pretty easy to recognize the speed difference and slow down or stay in the middle lane. Also, that car should have easily recovered from that swerve. I see people do this all the time. If they're unfamiliar with the area, this mistake can happen. Instead of looking straight, look where you're going, and problem solved. The red car is clearly not paying attention to anything. Look how long he was sitting at that protected green before he went. It doesn't excuse the red light runner though. I'd rather be behind crazy drivers than right in front of them. It would be a hard sell for me to go around them. That Honda was probably dreading his existence. The dude in the red shirt is definitely an agent of chaos, just nonchalantly pacing in a prime parking spot and looking every way except the cars trying to park in the spot. Idiot, yes, but kudos for how it was solved. When I saw that driver doing that, I honestly was expecting a crash. It's crazy how the spectator wasn't even phased. Just another day at work, I guess. There's a guy in the backyard of that house who seems observant, but unbothered too. You can tell a lot of crazy happens in that town. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.